We live in an era of infinite information, but our biological hardware has not received an upgrade in 200,000 years. Every day, we consume articles, research papers, meeting notes, and strategic plans. We read them, we understand them, and then inevitably, we forget them. The human brain is a brilliant processor, but it is a terrible hard drive. What if you did not have to remember everything? What if you could build a digital extension of your own mind? The idea of a second brain is not new. For centuries, scholars used commonplace books to index their knowledge. Today, we use folders, tags, and search bars. But traditional file systems are passive. They wait for you to remember what you are looking for. A true second brain should not just store information, it should understand it. It should connect ideas you did not realize were related. It should be an active participant in your thinking process. But here is the fascinating part. I did not write the code for this system myself. I used Manus, an autonomous AI agent, to architect and build the entire application. I simply described what I needed, a knowledge management system for educational consulting, and Manus wrote the database schema, built the user interface, and integrated the language models. It is a meta-narrative of our time, using artificial intelligence to build the very tools that augment our own intelligence. The foundation of this system is ingestion. When a document is uploaded, whether it is a dense curriculum framework, a school policy, or raw meeting notes, the system does not just save a file. It reads it, it extracts the text, analyzes the sentiment, identifies the core themes, and estimates the reading level. It breaks down monolithic PDFs into structured data points and actionable insights. The document is transformed from static text into active knowledge. Knowledge is not linear, it is a network. To visualize this, Manus built a three-dimensional galaxy interface. Each file becomes a star. The distance between them is not alphabetical or chronological, it is semantic. Documents with similar themes and overlapping concepts gravitate toward each other, forming constellations of related thought. You can literally fly through your own knowledge base, seeing connections that a traditional folder structure would hide forever. Search is obsolete. Instead of typing keywords and hoping for a match, you simply talk to your data. The system features an AI chat interface powered by Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. When you ask a question, the system instantly searches through thousands of document chunks, retrieves the most relevant passages based on semantic similarity, and synthesizes an answer, complete with citations back to your original files. Thinking often happens away from the keyboard. The second brain incorporates voice interaction, using advanced speech-to-text to capture fleeting ideas and quick memos. It auto-categorizes these thoughts, placing them exactly where they belong. And while you sleep, the system works. A scheduled weekly digest automatically reviews your recent uploads and conversations, generating a summary of key highlights and suggested next steps, delivered right to your dashboard. This architecture was specifically designed for the complex world of educational consulting. It features specialized tools, a standards alignment tracker that maps curricula to state frameworks, a meeting prep generator that synthesizes past notes into actionable agendas, and a grant research assistant. It does not just store educational data, it understands the domain, turning overwhelming administrative overhead into strategic advantage. We are moving from an age of information retrieval to an age of knowledge synthesis. A second brain does not replace human creativity, it liberates it. By offloading the burden of memory and organization to artificial intelligence, your biological brain is free to do what it does best: imagine, strategize, and create. And with agents like Manus, the barrier to creating these bespoke tools has vanished. The Mind-Machine Atlas is no longer just a concept, it is a tool you can build today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Mind-Machine Atlas.